Hi guys, welcome to Technic channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove type over in Gmail. So in this case, log into go to here, and you'll find here the answer how to type over in Gmail, how to remove. To remove type over in Gmail, you can use your keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Z, right? Ctrl plus Z. Then undo the last action you performed. This will undo, overwrite, and restore the original text. You can also drag the overwritten text to select it and press delete to remove it. If you accidentally overwrite something important, you can use the undo shortcut to restore it quickly. If you need to remove overwritten for next specific reason, such as make your message more clear and concise, you can use the mouse button to delete it. So let's go to Gmail. Then you'll find here this option, like I'm adding something here. To stop override, what you can do is you can follow the instruction Ctrl plus Z. So I'm putting here Ctrl plus Z. You can see that all has been deleted. Okay, so all of your actions will be deleted if you click on Ctrl plus Z. Most recent actions. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.